Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Walgreens Boots Alliance. Now, this is a Dow component, and they pay a dividend that's more than twice what the DIA pays. And so this is a high-yielding stock for a Dow component. Some are higher. Exxon would be one. But if you're looking for a stock that's just breaking out and coming out of a really, really long base, I think Walgreens kind of does the deal for you. So with the market really strong, I really think this is your trade. It would have been nice to have gotten this video, wouldn't it? First thing this morning when I looked at this stock, but I send them out at the end of the day. Sorry. So the stock's up nicely today. I think you can still get in on a breakout above 60 bucks. I think this stock works. And you can also, frankly, you can check out Mad Money Tuesday night. And my bet is that Kramer is going to be covering this stock. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. Okay, so check that out, all right? Anyway, that's it. Oh, and by the way, if you're a new member to Stock Market Mentor, or if you want to be a new member, I'm hosting a webinar on Wednesday dedicated just to new members of Stock Market Mentor. I'm going to show you some real critical things to get going on the website, and also just how I trade, things that I do, things that I don't do. The whole idea is to get you not just oriented to the website, but also making money as soon as possible. So definitely check that out if you're new or if you're in a trial membership. Okay, thanks. I'll see you next time.